When should I cancel my life insurance? As far as you are able, you should avoid canceling your life insurance. If you have financial difficulties, you have a variety of options depending on the type and nature of policy, the premium paid up and the secondary market. If you cancel it, all the premiums already paid is lost, with no gain and no recourse. It is a nuclear option with no real benefit. You may consider a premium loan, or a freeze on premium and coverage for a specific period of time. Another option is to reduce the coverage or drop one or more riders to reduce the premium. You may have the option to convert the policy to paid up if enough of the premiums have already been paid. The absolute last resort is to sell the policy, if that is available, as early as possible. Rates are based upon attained age at time of application, thus the younger you are, the lower the premium. Also, you have no guarantee that your health will remain good as you get older, and your health at time of application also affects not only the rate but your ability to attain coverage at all. It depends on the situation. Is the health insurance through an employer? Is it through COBRA? Is it an independent policy that you pay directly to the insurance company? You cannot necessarily cancel your health insurance coverage whenever you want. It depends on the situation. Also, do you have other coverage? Will that coverage start soon? You might want to look into that. You don't want too much of a gap between old coverage ending and new coverage starting. That could cause some problems further down the line. If you are not having any mortgage and/or loans and you think there is not going to be any expense which is going to be hard on your family or have already taken care of, you can cancel your policy. Please do keep in mind, if you are thinking of taking any kind of loans, then it's better not to cancel when you no longer need it, for the purpose you owned it. Did you have it to provide for others in the event of your premature death? Are the kids grown? Mortgage and debt paid off? Final expenses covered with other funds? If there is no one who would suffer financially at your death, then why keep it? Lots of variables too. Your question. Will use one that applied to me. 2 small life policies had for many years. No heirs left. My accountant recommended to cash them in using the money for myself. With no one to benefit from those policies, I did just that. At one time there was a need. Not anymore. Took his advice. Cashed out using the money for my retirement account. Why cancel it? Sell it. An ideal candidate for life settlement includes an insured over the age of 70 with an in-force universal life (UL), variable universal life (VUL), survivorship (SUL or SVUL), term life, or whole life insurance policy with a minimum face amount $500,000. The need for liquidity outweighs their need for insurance coverage, and the policy has been in force for at least 2 years. The life insurance policy must be issued by an insurance carrier with a credit rating of A or better by AM Best.